6,000 Ks in this motor, everything was fine, never had to stop for service or anything. And then after 6,000, and then yeah, start to make a little funny noise. It sounds really weird. And then what you're gonna do? You're gonna open and inspect your pinion gear, which is the most likely to have a problem. And the pinion gear was fine, and then you go for nylon gear. Nylon gear was fine, and then you go for motor shaft, right? So motor shaft, I have a video gonna be linking here in the description below. There's a procedure to pull this thing apart. It's really hard, okay? And then you're gonna be inspecting this side of the motor shaft, right? So as you pull it apart, it's very obvious. You can tell. You're gonna see there's some black dirt, like black dots here, as you see, right? So it's like this is actually a melted rubber ring. Okay, so you used to have a rubber ring here to actually grip this thing inside the inner bearing, but the rubber ring is gone for some reason, and then now you have a lot of friction as this thing it slides inside the bearing, and they ended up wearing this thing down to the point that you might not be able to recover. But if you notice this noise in time, you'll be able to stop, open, and actually do a Loctite procedure, right? So I have a video linked in the description here below, and we're going to be showing this. Loctite 641 is actually designed for this particular case, okay? So it's actually like a glue or rubber, and you're gonna make this thing grip inside here and spin properly without slide metal and causing a lot of friction and that. Okay, so 95% of the case you'll be fine. 5% of the case will be really bad. You're not gonna be able to recover that, right? So as soon as you hear this funny noise, like you've seen in the beginning of the video, or you stop and do a little inspection there, right? So cool. So just enjoy the power. When you do this procedure, 24 hours, you let this thing dry. Cool. Another 6,000.